good evening to all dignitaries, guests, teachers, students, and everyone. A very warm welcome to you all to this beautiful and auspicious ceremony. This is a host and host, Ifan Kamaluddin Sheikh from Aliban Nagar Parishad, Urdu School number 6, from standard 6. This is grateful to our sponsor, Anjuman Islam Education Society अलीबाग for their wholehearted support. आज की ये शाम डेडिकेट है ऐसी शख्सियत को, ऐसी पर्सनालिटी को who need no introduction and he is well known, not well known in society, not well known in Gujarat and Maharashtra, but also known at national and international level because of his courage, because of his aspiration, because of his bravery, because of his ethics. He is true idol. सह्याद्राच्या खुशीत एक हिरा चमकला, सह्याद्राच्या खुशीत एक हिरा चमकला, भगवा टिळा चंदनाचा सोनेरी प्रकटला, हातात घेऊन तलवार अन्यायावर गरजला, महाराष्ट्रात असा शिवाजी राजा होऊन गेला. इस राजा के मुतालिक मालूमात देने के लिए मैं हफ्तुल्लाह तलबा और अब्दुल शेख को दावत देती हूँ कि आपका अपना ख्याल इंतजार करें.